See a Prius? I think he got a Prius, you guys. I think he exchanged the Civic for a Prius. Oh no, it's still what it is. It's getting Fenders rolled right now. What's up? What up? Your dad's car's well, it's getting its Fenders rolled right now, huh? What's up, Ricky? What's up, man?
B, this is Andrew.
What's up, man? Benny.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
So get this.
What happened?
When he tried, when all my drop forks and everything were on, it was too low for him.
Yeah?
Two-way, yeah. The roller would not reach it.
So far, when I take off the drop forks out front, they work.
Alright.
So I'm
Hey, how much did it drop?
Well, I didn't drop my.
Is just this? You guys are just starting this side?
No, he did the front right already.
The front right? I'll check it out.
Don't touch it, it's hot.
Not bad, not too shabby.
Oh, it's good.
Go. Strength of Benny.
Oh, worries because he's not gonna show.
Yeah, everything's all inside.
So we're good.
Hey, some people trip about that though.
What?
Yeah,
For what, though?
ain't no people. Ain't no people.
They get upset that it's like chipping from the inside?
From inside, yeah.
What the hell? It's ridiculous, man.
Yeah, man.
Jordan, do it. Just like your dad. Oh. You're sort of kicking. Go, Daniel, do it. If you don't do it, I'm not giving you the $10.
I'm not gonna
You got
get
five. Steph, Steph, you gotta do it, Steph. You were just doing it like a whole bunch of times. Oh, okay. I got you. Oh, I just got done eating. Super full, dude. Let's go check out what John's. It looks like he put on his wheel, so I'm trying to see what I'm gonna expect when I come out. Oh, dude. No way, dude. You're touching. You're gonna have to mess with the camber, right? So we have to adjust his height because it's not fitting in properly. My brake land's in the way, dude.
Losing the bottom perch for it to move. Nope.
You have to go more. A lot more. It's on you, but. So I'm looking at John's wheels. I did not realize this. So maybe other people won't realize it, but okay. Check it out. Clean as wheels, right? Nice lip, bronze, and then pow! The little stem that it comes with is silver. And it's like right dead center in the middle, dude. No offense. I told John no offense. The wheels look clean. Everything's clean. Except this thing bugs me. It just bugs me, just it being there. But
where's that towel? I'm gonna get my hand on it.
They could have at least, I don't know. They could have at least done it black or something. I don't know, dude.
Come on.
Oh, went up a lot. So, camber it in more too?
You have to full camber it in. How close is?
That's pretty
Unless-
close. Oh, there's a spider. I just
Unless
saw
I
a
leave
spider.
it like that, bro. Look.
Push it in all the way.
It's not even sitting in all the way.
Alright, so we just maxed out the camber. Give it a hit.
That was max, bro.
Huh?
That was max.
Is it still hitting?
It's the same thing. That's it.
So then what's going on, bro?
It's a white ass wheel, bro.
I'm wondering if it's because it's in the air. That's my only concern. You know?
Well,
it's currently 11:30. We're still working on this thing. Actually, John was about to give up, but I said, dude, you can't give up. We're almost there. We got this. So he's like, dude, you're right. Let's keep going. So we kept it going. And the only issue we're having is that we think we might need to set it on the ground because the suspension is pushing. I don't know. We just feel like it's not being pressure. So I don't know. It's just confusing to explain, but sorry the camera is going down and down and down. My arm's getting tired, but we're getting there. You'll see. So.
move it out more. No, you good. You good. You're good. Okay. You recording it?
Yeah. It's not that low.
Not that low.
The front looks. What's the front?
Fronts are good.
The front, I think you want to sit like that, right?
Yeah.
The rear. How's it sitting on the other side? What? You don't like how it's sitting?
I mean, I go lower, it's just gonna.
One's got a suspension on. Are his wheels on? Todd's sitting. That's that right there. This is the rear. There's. Huh? Why'd you take it out?
Get to the camber bowls.
Well, you need to take it out. So he's gonna drive it right now. He's putting his battery back in. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. It is midnight, 12:30, I think already. So working overtime, definitely getting paid triple time. Alright, he's gonna drive this. Let's see. Is the brake on? Off? Go. Yeah, I told you it's the rear, bro. Did not want to move whatsoever. It's not moving whatsoever?
Nope.
It's the rear. Air up, and maybe it'll. Oh, wait. Alright, so we got the wheels on. Just the fitting, I think, of the tire size is a little off. Unfortunately, so we're not gonna be able to drive it to where we're gonna go to tomorrow, which sucks. But I mean, Higgins is just gonna get that done, and then we should be good after that. But I know he's a little sad right now, you know, looking up tire sizes and whatnot. But we'll be good. We'll be good. We'll be good. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.